Did you know diverse teams are 35% more likely to outperform their peers? This isn't just a statistic, it's a game changer. Diversity fosters creativity and innovation, unlocking new perspectives and solutions that some teams might overlook. Diversity Works helps your team access the benefits of diversity. Barriers like unconscious bias and lack of inclusion can stifle potential. Understanding these challenges is crucial to harnessing the full power of diversity. Let's explore how Diversity Works can break these barriers and unleash creativity. Diversity Works is a transformative training game designed to revolutionize team dynamics. It's not just a tool, it's an experience that engages participants interactively, making learning about diversity both fun and impactful. Activity stations that tap into different interaction types, learning types, and technology types engage learners so they get the most out of the experience. From improved communication to innovative problem solving, the benefits are tangible. Imagine a workplace where communication flows seamlessly and collaboration is second nature. Diversity Works fosters such environments, leading to increased employee satisfaction and retention. It's not just about diversity, it's about creating a thriving workplace. No matter the activity, Diversity Works focuses on three key outcomes: understanding self, understanding others, and communication. These three learning outcomes help individuals realize what makes them special, what makes others special, and consider differences and act respectfully in the workplace. By valuing diverse perspectives, teams can tackle challenges more effectively, leading to innovative solutions and a competitive edge in the market. Let's recap. Diversity Works unlocks your team's potential by improving communication, boosting satisfaction, and enhancing problem solving. By integrating this game into your training programs, you're investing in a brighter, more inclusive future. Start your journey today. Implement Diversity Works and watch your team transform. Together, we can create a workplace where diversity isn't just a goal, but a reality. Take action now and lead the change.